Don't give me local rules. Don't give me procedures. Don't give me professionalism.
So just received this package, a chocolate bar, pretty cool package too. Usually they come in a little wrapper, not no tin can, but pretty dope. I'm about to eat half of it, see what this kicking for. Usually when it comes to edibles, they really don't do nothing to me, but I mean, it's 25 grams. What did it say? Yeah, 25 milligrams. I mean, hopefully it's legit. I'll let you guys know what half does. You know, I'm not trying to eat it all, cause you know, I ain't trying to be messed up on football Sunday, you know. Go Cowboys, by the way. But yeah, I'll let y'all know what's going on. Alright, so I ate half a little bit ago. Felt something. I mean, not what I would thought, but I'm gonna finish the rest. Hopefully this does the trick. I mean, it's good chocolate. And like I said, it comes in a real nice packaging. I'll give you an update, see how I'm feeling. Alright, so what I think about these. Well, if you have high tolerance, eat the whole thing at once. Definitely good though. It's definitely good. It gives you more of a body high. I mean, it's supposed to, I guess. It feels like you just popped a perk. But since I ate half and half, I only felt just a bit at a time. Yeah, I recommend it being used all at once. So eat the whole candy bar. It's an indica, so it definitely mellows you down. I need sativa. I need something to get me up and get me hyped. So hopefully next video will be, you know, a sativa based. But regardless of anything, this is good. I liked it. Definitely liked it.